Use synthetic division to find the quotient and remainder from dividing the polynomial by x minus 5. Synthetic division is a way of dividing one polynomial by a linear binomial to find the quotient and remainder. When dividing by a linear binomial using synthetic division, make sure the factor is written in the form x minus a. As you can see, x minus 5 is already in this form, so we will be using 5 in the synthetic division calculations. These 4 placeholders are for each of the coefficients of the polynomial. Since this is a polynomial of degree 3, there are 4 placeholders, 1 for each term. This is how synthetic division works. The numerical term goes here, which we determined was 5. Fill in the coefficients from the polynomial here. So the coefficient of the cubic term is 1. The coefficient of the squared term is 6. The coefficient of the linear term is -1. And the constant term is -30. Start by dropping the first term here, and then multiplying 5 by this term and placing the product here. So we get 5. Combine these terms, 6 plus 5 equals 11, and then multiply again by this term, 5 times 11, and then place the product here, 55. Combine 55 and -1 to get 54. 5 times 54 is 270. 270 minus 30 is 240. So we end up with this division equation. P of x divided by x minus 5 equals, and these terms are the coefficients of the quotient, which is a polynomial of 1 degree less than the original polynomial. So x squared plus 11x plus 54 with a remainder of 240. From the remainder theorem, we know that this term, 240, is the same as p of x for x equals 5.